If you are a mindless eater or snacker, or you have a hard time feeling full, then here is my number one hack for you. When I was over 200 pounds, I would always do something and eat with it. So I would drive and eat. I would watch TV and eat. I would sit at my computer and eat. And so what really helped me lose 80 pounds was being present for when I was eating, trying not to do anything else but eat when it was time to eat. So I stopped watching TV while I was eating. I would go sit at my dinner table, finish my meal, then go back to the TV. I stopped eating while I was at my computer. I'd literally walk away from my desk for 5 minutes, eat, and go back. I'd stop eating while I was driving. I'd wait till I would get home or get to my destination. You see, you have to be present while you're eating to feel satisfied, to feel fuller faster, and to really understand the intentions behind every bite. Because what you don't want to do is mindlessly eat, unconsciously eat, and then you're eating more fuel than your body actually needs. And the more fuel we put in this that's unintentional, the more fat we gain, and the more disconnected we get from our gut, which is what runs our body and runs our emotions and runs our hormones.